everyone, welcome. Happy Saturday. My name's Tracy and I'm happy to come on today. I'm doing an unboxing of my OnStage gift. So this box actually on Thursday and I still haven't opened it. So I'm super excited to do it all live. I'm gonna wait I don't know. I didn't tell anyone I was going live, so I don't expect anyone to come on, but if someone comes on, please pop on and say hello. We are doing the unboxing of the OnStage gifts, so the swag bag and which is going to be fun. Hi Catherine, how are you? Oh, I do have a few people on. That's fantastic. Happy Saturday to everyone. Is anyone doing anything exciting? I've done a few videos this morning. I'm also going to be doing a few alternative projects for some of the kit collections that Stampin' Up have that I've got a special on this month. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting in and getting some of those things done. Very sunny here. Fantastic. We've had some really weird weather. It was beautiful earlier this morning and then went a little bit not so good. Hi Sylvia. Alright, I got a few people on. Let's get started. I'm so excited. I have seen a few unboxings already, but it's always different when it's your own. So I'm going to pop the camera down. Give me a second. And it's a big box. So of anyone that's watching who is a demonstrator, are you doing OnStage and did you get the OnStage swag bag? I look forward to OnStage every year. I love it. Although I can't wait to be doing a in-person event. That is super excited that we'll get back to that one day. So inside the box is another box. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? I've still got my OnStage box from last year up on my shelf. Love it, it's really pretty. Hi Marion, how are you? All right, this is a gorgeous box. Nice and sturdy, so I know everything's nicely packed inside. And I know you're getting a little bit of glare from my light, so sorry about that. We'll get rid of this plastic and that should get rid of that problem that we're having. Hi Tracy, how are you? You haven't got it in Canada yet. I'm so surprised. They actually expedited it from the US to Australia, so which is good because our postal system at the moment is taking ages for everything. So it's good that it was expedited. Okay, are you ready? Hi Rachel, you got yours yesterday. Fantastic. I'm gonna open it. And inside the box, look at that. Geez, they really do really well with the boxes. So beautiful. Nice little keepsake. A nice message from Sarah, who is the CEO of Stampin' Up. Nice. Ooh, we have a bag. So every year we always have a bag. This is really pretty. Some years are a lot better than others, but oh, I love this one. So it's like a Hessian bag with a big B on it. Inspire, create, share. Really nice leather handles. That'd be a good swap bag when we get back to our in-person events. This would be a really good swap bag to have on your hand. The B is cute, absolutely. Yes, Catherine, they're gifts to demonstrators. So OnStage is an event that runs every year for demonstrators. It's usually either a 1-day or a 3-day event, depending on whether it's live or not. But you can purchase an OnStage swag bag, which is what this is. It's just extra little gifts. And well, normally if you're going to OnStage you get these anyway, but with the online version you could choose to either just go to the event online, or you could purchase the swag bag as well. So I don't know, I don't like missing out, so I had to have the swag bag. Taking your shopping, Marion. Bring more people in. Sounds perfect. Okay, we have a cling stamp set in the moment, which is one of those colouring ones. And it's all female related, but I do like this one. It's got a little puppy there while you're reading. So that's nice. A few nice sentiments. You're in my thoughts. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is relax. You're always so good to others, be good to yourself too. Very nice sentiments. So these would make really beautiful cards. Loving the stamp set? Yes. Hi, Glenda. Yeah, it's nice to catch you too. Alrighty. I didn't tell anyone that I was going live, so I wasn't expecting anyone to be on. Okay. Now, this is the one Marion has as well. The gumboots and a sailing boat. So there are different ones around that you can swap. And they usually have it at the in-person events that you can swap them with other demonstrators if you want. So that's nice. I like those pins. We have a pack of pencils, tropical theme. So usually these give away a little bit of what's coming up in the catalogue. That's how they usually work it. So I'd say there's going to be some sort of flower. Well, there's always flowers in the catalogue, isn't there? But these are cute. So we've got some in colours, Misty Moonlight, Pale Papaya, Fresh Freesia, maybe Highland Heather, Misty Moonlight, Granny Apple Green and Garden Green. They're the colours I'm going with. They might not be exact. Hi Carla, how are you? Oh, Rachel, you had a different one. What one did you have? What designs did you have on yours? We have a nice little booklet, and this is actually, they always have booklet and either pens or something like that. So this is a little bit different, this one. Different design. Oh, so it opens up like that. I like it. Very nice. Paper too. Beautiful. Nice on stage to write all our details down while we're watching on stage. And we also have a pack of grid sheets, so to protect our work surface. Yeah, they are cool. Thanks, Tracy. Oh, so exciting. I can't wait for November. So it's actually on in November. So in the pack there is four sheets of grid paper. It's one-sided. Cool. And a nice green bottom of my box. That's awesome. So a nice little on-stage goodie pack. I'm so excited for November. It's going to be a lot of fun. All right, everyone, let me pop the camera back around really quick. Thanks for popping in. Like I said, I didn't think I would get anyone on, but it's nice to see everyone on. If you haven't signed up for OnStage and you're a demonstrator, I highly recommend next year to go ahead and do it, because it is the best. You'll have so much fun, and especially if next year we're in person, that's going to be even better. Hi Patricia, how are you? All right, everyone, have a great weekend. Enjoy your Saturday or your Friday if you're overseas. And yeah, have a relaxing weekend. And I'll see you all real soon. Okay, bye-bye.